Learn all vegetables name. Spinach, kale, lettuce, cabbage, mustard greens, fenugreek leaves, arugula, bok choy, carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip, sweet potato, potato, ginger, turmeric, onion, garlic, leeks, shallots, green onion, spring onion, celery, asparagus, tomato, cucumber, eggplant, brinjal, bell pepper, capsicum, chili pepper, green, red, zucchini, pumpkin, squash, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, ridge gourd, ivy gourd, okra or lady's finger, apple gourd, peas, green beans, broad beans, kidney beans, soybean, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kohlrabi, mushroom, artichoke, baby corn. Like and subscribe.